I usually get to SharePoint by using the dots and getting to the app from there from OneDrive. And then once I'm in here, you can see a couple of sites I've created already. But to create a new site, I'm gonna go up here to the top left, click Create Site. And then you have two different options here. You can either create a team site. They'll be more connected with the Microsoft 365 group if you're using that. Or you can create a communication site, which is more, just keeping people informed and everything, whereas this first one would have more task management options. So let's just say that we're creating this one for our support team. So support team. And there's the option to have an email, a separate email address for this that, can send emails in and will be able to be directed towards this particular team. You can change the privacy settings to allow anyone in the organization, or maybe you just want just the support team to see this information. So I'm going to keep it private for now. You can add another owner if you want someone to have access to, make changes, or you can just add other members to the group. And once you're done selecting, and you can always go back to these and add people later if you'd like, but I'll just keep it clear for now. And then this is my favorite part. Once you get the site set up, you can add in all kinds of details and pictures and links and just really make it look awesome. You can change around these little widgets here. You can have news at the top, or you can move it around. You can add new documents. You can use stuff that you've already saved to your cloud, or you can choose from things from your folder on your desktop, etc. So here, let's see, add a news post. Say we got, I've done this before since we're doing the tour. You can choose different templates. You can always edit these photos and add your own. I'm going to go ahead and start with this basic beach template. And I want to say we have new courses available in our platform. And then here I could give examples on how to use, how to use the new course. And then you can edit this part. You can add in different links here, make a bulleted list, and just really customize this to your liking. And then I like to leave the comments on in case any of the teammates have questions. Hey, I didn't understand this news that you posted, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and post this so we can see what it looks like. Just gives it a few seconds to post. So now when I go to our support team homepage, you'll see that at the top, I just posted a few seconds ago, you can learn new information about the course.